Hello, good evening. We will do exercise 5, journalizing transactions in the general journal. So, ito. Mr. X organized the Lavender Fields Laundry Shop on March 1, 2024. The following transactions were completed during the month. Requirement, record the transactions in a general journal. Lagyan na lang natin ng explanations. So, March 1, Mr. X invested 600,000 cash in the business. So, gawin mo natin yung date, no? Analysis ito, nag-invest ng cash. So, increase in asset, cash. 600,000. Credit, meron din yan, di ba? Ang credit natin, pag may investment, ang owner, capital account. So, X or Mr. X capital, 600,000. Explanation, to record owner's initial investment. Okay. March 2. Store premises were rented at 10,000 monthly. The rent for March was paid. So, binayaran na para sa buong buwan. Anong kwan dyan? Expense. Ang naapektuhan, increase. Anong i-debit natin na expense? Rent or rent expense. $1,000, may credit tayo. Lagay ko na ha. Anong credit natin? Binayaran ng cash. So, decrease in asset, cash, credit. Explanation, to record payment of rent for the month or for March. Next, March 6, a delivery truck costing 200,000 was purchased from Mr. Y. Terms, 100,000 down payment, balance payable in 60 days or 2 months. So, anong kwan dito? Merong increase in asset. Hindi. Delivery truck. So, i-debit yun. Ano i-debit natin? Lagyan na lang natin, delivery vehicle. $200,000. Excuse me. So, pag sinabing terms, problem, o transaction, merong ano yan, liability na ma-establish. Kasi, nag-down ka lang ng 100,000 cash, di ba? So, credit mo ang cash. Kasi nag-decrease ang asset. Cash. 100,000. Ano ang isa pang credit natin? Payable account. Liability. So, mag-i-increase yun. Credit natin ang accounts payable. Lagay natin yung sino yung pinagkautangan. Mr. Y. 100,000 yung balance. Explanation, to record purchase of delivery truck with 100,000 pesos down payment and the balance payable in 60 days. Okay. Next, March 8th. Laundry equipment costing 50,000 was purchased. Terms 30,000. Down payment, balance payable in 3 months to ABC Company. Halos pareho lang, di ba? Ano ang i-debit mo? Kasi nag-increase ang asset. O, nandyan na. Pwede na yung gamitin. Debit, laundry equipment. $50,000 acquisition cost. Nag-down ng cash 30,000. Then yung isang credit, yung balance 20,000, di ba? Para balance. Anong credit? Pareho din sa delivery vehicle. Accounts payable. Lagay natin. Excuse me. ABC Company. To record, explanation natin. Purchase of laundry equipment with 30,000 down payment and the balance payable in 3 months. Halos yun nandun lang sa transaction, diba? Okay. Next, March 9, laundry supplies costing 3,000 was purchased in cash. So, March 9. Laundry supplies costing 3,000 was purchased in cash. So, gamitin natin ay prepaid laundry supplies. Ibig sabihin ito, asset method ang ginamit natin kasi prepaid laundry supplies is an asset account. 3,000. Next, ang credit naman natin, cash Decrease in asset, cash uli, 3,000. Explanation, to record, purchase of laundry supplies. Okay. March 11,